Here's a 2016 Honda Accord. Luxury evolves inside the refined cabin of this plush Accord. The interior style updates are apparent, but you'll really be impressed with how this savvy vehicle keeps you comfortable with dual-zone climate control, while also keeping you connected and entertained with Bluetooth and USB audio interface. With this vehicle, you also get efficiency with the Eco Assist system, as well as a plethora of safety features, including vehicle stability assist with traction control, hill start assist, and a multi-angle rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines.
You can maintain a safe distance even in the busiest traffic with the adaptive cruise control. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator. The hard disk drive media storage keeps pace with your entertainment and information demands.
Surprising luxury and sensibility for every day. Take this Accord for a test drive.
At Rusty Wallis Honda, our primary goal is to satisfy our customers. Stop in today. We're easy to find just off I-635 at Shiloh Road.